allows users to add auction listings to their to the portal. Also allows other users to comment and place bids on those items. So immediately we move to our first landing page. As you can see, this is hosted on my local system, right? And this is the admin view. I've already logged in. You can see we have the bid item. We have a model item for the category, comments, listing, users, and a watch list too. So those are the items we have. We'll come back to that. Now, as you can see, this is the landing page. This is on another browser and local host too. I've not logged in. As you can see, no user signed in, but from there, you can see my default site. Here is the default URL, and the default URL defaults to my active listings. You can see all the active listings available here. You can click on either of them and you view the details, the price, the description, and the comment, and so on and so forth. And because no user is logged in, I cannot place a bid, neither can I, nor can I actually add a comment to it or add it to a watch list. But as a user that's not logged in, I can do other stuff. I go back to my active listings, and then I log into my page. All right, so once I log in, I'm able to still view the same stuff, but now as I view these items, I have the option of adding them to my watch list, placing a bid, and also adding a comment right to them. But the first thing we want to do here is let's create our own listing items. I called it modern painting. Already have the description, so I just pasted it. I have the option. I can either give it a category or leave it, but I add it to the add category. I say my start bidding is 5,000. I have the option of either adding a photo or not, but in my case, I just want to add a photo. All right, then I click it, add to the listing. As you can see, this is one of the items. My item has been added to the active listing. This is an item that was uploaded without an image, as you can see. So yeah, I can view my item as the creator of the item, but I cannot comment nor bid on those items because I'm the creator, but I have the option of closing that item also. All right, now the next thing that I can do is other items that I did not create, I can place a bid on it. I can add a comment to it. Beautiful art. I just said beautiful art. I comment that that's beautiful. All right, I can place a bid. If I place a bid that's not higher than the start price, then it tells me, oh, your bid must be higher than the current price. So what I'll just do is I play the higher bid. In this case, I place 20,000. Right, and once I place that, it says your bid has been successfully saved. Now, if I go to the, you can see the watch list. Here, you have the watch list. I don't already have any item in the watch list. If I go back to my active listings, I can view the item that I just bidded now, and I click start watching. Now it says auction item has been added to the watch list. If I go back to my watch list, it shows me the count and it shows that item in my watch list. Another thing that we can view here is the categories. You see all the categories: the fashion, the art, and we also have for items that were not added to a category, they will come here. For art here, you see on fashion we have 3 items in that category. As you can see, once I click that. On toys, we have only 1 item, so toys category, active listings. So that's that for category, and you have also seen watch list. And finally, one of the things that we also want to see is if I'm the one that created the auction list. For in this case, I've already logged in as Dan, and Dan is the one that created the Wallywood comic art auction list. And now Dan can see that there are 3 bids on his items. You can see all the comments and so on. So Dan can choose to do what? Close the auction item. Once it closes, Dan will see the user that won the auction and the bid price of that user. Now, if I go back to that user on another browser, which is Chris here, Chris goes to that item that he bidded on, and then you can see here, you won the bid item. And so the bid has been closed. So that's that. And you know, active listings, you can refresh this. So that's that. And once that bid has been closed, you can see that the bid item does not appear on the active listings again because it's no longer active. And so yes, and finally, from the admin view, you can see that you can go to the admin view and click on any of these items. You can add to a listings, you can edit it, you can comment on it, you can do whatever you want, you can add to the users, the watch list, and so on and so forth. And so that's it for my video, and thank you for watching. Hope I'm sure I didn't miss any item. All right, bye.